Okay, students, in today's video, we are talking about the sum of n terms in AP. We will derive formula for sum of n terms in AP. Okay, now see how to do it. I'm just giving an example first. Suppose there are 5 terms of AP. Then we know the first term will be A. Second term will be a plus d, then a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4. These are the first 5 terms. Okay, now if we can observe, okay, there is 1 gap between d. Okay, if I go in reverse, okay, 1 gets subtracted every time. 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1. Okay, why I am describing this here? See, if I take n terms, then we know the formula for nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now we want to find the total of all these terms. How to find this? See, to find the total, let us have this in total a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus dot up to nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the series. Okay, now we are finding the total, we are finding the sum. So let us symbolize this as it is sum, so let us say S. Now here we have n terms, so the symbol will become Sn. Okay, now what if I write this in reverse? Reverse means last term will be first, then it will be written as this a plus n minus 1d plus. Now if I write the just the term before this term, what will be the term? A plus. Now if you can observe here, every time from this, if I go in reverse, 1 gets subtracted from d. Now if I subtract 1 from here, it will be like this. Here n minus 1. If I subtract minus 1 again, minus 1 becomes minus 2. So we will write here n minus 2d. Then a plus n minus 3d. Dot. Then last term will be, I am going in reverse, so last term will be a. Okay, now this is also Sn, because we have not changed the terms, we have just changed their positions. Okay, it will never make a change in total. Now if I add these two equations, if I add these two, Sn plus Sn means 2 times Sn. Okay, now if we add these two series, if I add first term with first term, it will become a plus a means 2a plus n minus 1d is as it is. Okay, this will become the first term plus, if I add second with second, a plus a, it becomes 2a. And for this, if I take d common, from this and this, here if I take d common, 1 will be remaining, I am writing here 1. And here if I take d common, then remaining part is n minus 2. Now n is as it is. 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. So remaining is n minus 1. You can see they both are same. Okay, now if I do the same thing for third time, a plus a, again 2a if I take d common here, from here if I take this d common, then 2, if I write here, it is 2, and here it is n minus 3. Again n is as it is, and 2 minus 3 is again minus 1. So we can observe that every time when we are adding first term with first term, second term with second, third with third, always we have the same answer. Okay, now here there are n terms, so this will be repeated n times. Okay, so we can say this will repeat n times. Okay, now just imagine that if something repeats n time, we are doing the total. So instead of this, we can write n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can write this. So here two times Sn is as it is. Here we can write n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now if I take this 2 into divide, Sn becomes n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this is the formula for the total of first n terms which are in AP. Okay, it must be fulfill this condition that the terms must be in AP, and the formula for formula for the total of first n terms is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we must remember some of the few important things, that to find it is the relation between how many things? Sn, n, a and d. It means it is a relation between 4 things. Okay, from these 4 things, okay, any 3 things can be given in question, and the 4th we can find. Okay, suppose n, a and d is given, we can find Sn. Suppose Sn, n and a is given, we can find d. That is how question can be asked. Now we can modify this equation again. How? Sn equal to n by 2. From 2a, if I take 1a and write it like this, a plus a, this a is as it is, a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we know this is the formula of Tn. It is the nth term. So Sn can also be written like this: Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus Tn. This is also a formula to find sum of first n terms. Okay, now we must remember one thing, that these two formulas are applicable when we are considering the sum of terms which are in AP, and the term should be start with the first term. Okay, it is not possible to use the same formula to directly find the sum of let's say from 5th term to 10th term. We cannot find directly by this. Okay, there is a way to find this, but this formula cannot exactly do that. Okay, now where we will use this and where we will use this? See, suppose there is an AP 2 4 6 8 let's say it is up to 20. So this is our, and we want to find the total of these terms. Okay, now is at this time, this is the Tn. Okay, or we can also call it as last term, because this is the last term, okay, till which we want to find the sum. Okay, so here Tn is given, so we will use this formula. But if there is an AP, let's say 2 4 6 8 again and we need to find the sum of first 50 terms. Okay, now here we can easily figure it out what will be the 50th term. Okay, but in this type of question I am just trying to tell you that in this type of question, when we doesn't have the nth term, okay, we will use this formula. And this kind of question, when we have this nth term, or we can also call it as last term, okay, so sometimes instead of tn there is a formula in which someone also write here l means last term. Okay, I hope you can understand. So this formula can also be written in this way: n by 2 a plus l. L means last term. Now l and tn is same. Okay, so that is how formula of Sn comes. Okay, I think it is enough for this video, and do subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it if you like it. Okay, till then we will discuss some of the examples from exercise 5.3. okay, till then practice it well. Thank you.